The next step of the research process is to design the procedures we'll use to conduct our study. To do this, we consider our original questions, hypotheses, operational definitions, and the research methods we chose in the previous step. We can also modify the procedures published by other researchers. This stage of the process requires a good amount of creativity. The procedures must be specific and detailed enough that other researchers can replicate them. We usually include information about the participants we'll try to recruit, the setting in which the study will occur, the measures we'll use, and the technology involved. In recent decades, technological advancements have enabled us to study variables in new ways. For example, to record brain activity, researchers use functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, or electroencephalography, EEG. To record facial muscle activity, they use facial electromyography, EMG. Other technologies allow us to measure physiological changes, like heart rate and sweat production, as well as eye movements and response times. Recently, an MIT student developed a wearable, non-invasive device that allows us to manipulate a computer with just our thoughts. And of course, the internet has impacted social science research in several ways, like expanding the pool of potential participants, improving accessibility to information, connecting people through social media, and influencing how we work. All of these effects impact not only the researchers and how they approach their work, but also the topics they study and the participants they recruit. Every university involved in research has an IRB, an interdisciplinary group of scholars who evaluate proposed research studies to ensure participants are treated fairly and humanely. So, before researchers can test their predictions, they have to submit their proposed procedures to the IRB. In some cases, the board could request changes to protect the participants. Researchers in the field of psychology also follow the American Psychological Association's Code of Ethics. Once the IRB approves their study, they can start collecting data. In the next few videos, you'll learn about two methods of doing this: the observational method and the self-report method.